Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon Elastic Transcoder. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is Amazon Elastic Transcoder? Components, getting started, working with pipelines, working with jobs, working with presets, and monitoring Elastic Transcoder with Amazon CloudWatch. So what is Amazon Elastic Transcoder? Amazon Elastic Transcoder is a service which provides media file conversion capabilities by transforming files stored in Amazon S3 into various formats suitable for different playback devices. The service offers comprehensive multi-device support, enabling content delivery across a range of platforms including mobile devices, tablets, web browsers, and connected televisions. Elastic Transcoder excels at file quality management, handling large, high-quality digital media files and optimizing them appropriately for various playback devices while maintaining necessary quality standards. So the components of Elastic Transcoder are: first one is a job. Job in Elastic Transcoder performs the core transcoding work, which allows a single job to convert one media file into up to 30 different formats simultaneously. This efficient approach means you can create multiple format variations through just one job creation. Next component is pipeline, and pipeline serves as a organized queues for managing transcoding jobs. Where you specify the pipeline for each job, the system processes jobs sequentially in the order of addition, and for multi-format jobs, it creates files in the specified format sequence. Next one is a presets. Presets function as transcoding templates, containing predefined settings for converting media files between formats. These include default presets for common devices like iPod and iPhone, with the flexibility to create custom presets for formats not covered by the default options. Next component is notifications, and these provide optional integration with Amazon Simple Notification Service to track job status, alerting you when processing begins, completes, or encounters warnings and errors during the transcoding process. So this is the workflow looks like. So you start by creating a S3 bucket, and you can have separate input and output buckets, or you can use same. Then you create a pipeline. So you can create multiple pipelines. There are two types: standard priority and high priority jobs. Preset is optional, which is a template as I talked about. Next, you create the transcoding job, and here you specify the file name, output file name, and preset to use. And finally, you monitor the job progress. So I'll be covering all this in more detail in next few slides. So first one is working with pipelines. So pipelines serve as a job management queues in Elastic Transcoder, where jobs are processed in the order they are added. When creating a queue, users specify which pipeline should handle the transcoding process. Pipeline configuration typically involves creating two distinct pipelines: a standard priority pipeline for routine jobs and a high priority pipeline specifically designated for urgent transcoding needs that require immediate processing. The processing behavior of pipelines is dynamic, which allows multiple jobs to be processed simultaneously. Completion times vary significantly depending on factors such as file size and job specifications, which means jobs may not necessarily complete in their creation order. Pipeline management includes the ability to temporarily pause processing and cancel jobs though job cancellation is only possible before the processing begins. This feature provides control over the workflow and the resource allocation. Next is working with jobs. The core functionality of Elastic Transcoder job is to convert media files from one format to another, and this handles the complete transcoding process for media format transformation. Job requirements include specifying essential information such as the source file to be transcoded and defining the desired output file name for the transcoded media. Job configuration involves selecting and applying preset templates that contain the specific settings and parameters needed for the transcoding process. Job parameters encompass all the detailed configuration specifications that Elastic Transcoder needs to successfully process and complete the transcoding task. Next is working with presets. A preset in Transcoder serves as a template containing pre-configured settings and transcoding parameters that will be applied during the media conversion process. The configuration settings within a preset specify important technical parameters such as the number of audio channels and video resolution that will be applied to the transcoded output file. Elastic Transcoder provides built-in default presets that cover a variety of common output formats, making it easy to start transcoding with standardized settings. Users have the flexibility to create custom presets for additional output formats, and that allows them to define their own specific transcoding settings beyond the default options. Monitoring Elastic Transcoder with Amazon CloudWatch. So CloudWatch provides comprehensive monitoring capabilities for Elastic Transcoder, which allows users to track both pipeline operations and overall system performance through detailed metrics. The service processes raw data from Transcoder and transforms it into easily readable, near real-time metrics that provide actionable insights into the system performance. Historical data is maintained for a 2-week period, enabling users to access past performance metrics and gain deeper insights into their application or service behavior over time. CloudWatch automatically collects and sends Elastic Transcoder metric data at 1-minute intervals by default, ensuring consistent and timely monitoring of the system. And that's all. Thanks for watching.